Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on, and your scanner shows a P0030 error? This code could be linked to a malfunction in your car's oxygen sensor heater circuit, leading to poor fuel efficiency and rough engine performance. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0030 means, guide you to the exact sensor location, and provide steps to fix it. Let's get started. P0030 stands for ho2s heater control circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. This code is triggered when your car's ECM detects an issue with the heater circuit in the upstream oxygen sensor. This sensor plays a critical role in monitoring and adjusting your engine's air-fuel ratio for optimal performance. Let's locate the sensor causing this issue, bank 1 sensor 1 location. This is the upstream oxygen sensor positioned before the catalytic converter on the exhaust manifold. Look near the engine block on the side corresponding to cylinder 1. Wiring and connectors. Trace the wiring harness from the sensor to its connector and check for any visible damage or loose connections. Here are the symptoms of a P0030 code: poor fuel economy, rough idling or engine misfires, and increased emissions. The common causes include a faulty oxygen sensor heater element, damaged or corroded wiring, and a malfunctioning ECM. Here's how you can tackle this code. Inspect and test the sensor. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. If it's out of spec, the sensor likely needs replacement. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose or damaged wires and repair as needed. Replace the oxygen sensor if faulty. Remove the old sensor with an oxygen sensor socket and install the new one. Clear the code. Use your OBD2 scanner to reset the code and take the car for a test drive. And that's how you resolve a P0030 code. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and turn on notifications to keep your car running like new. For more useful tips, check out these related videos. P0133 to understand slow response time in oxygen sensors, and P0125 for coolant temperature issues affecting closed-loop fuel control. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep those engines purring with IG Garage.